Hi, my name is Angie Baumel, and welcome to my cooking cabaret. Tonight, we're gonna be making some chicken and wild rice with broccoli soup. So I hope you'll enjoy as we share in a little bit of the chaos that Tupperware helps me to control in my kitchen. So let's go, shall we? So we're gonna be cooking everything right in our pressure cooker, which is pretty awesome. First of all, I have my chicken. It's frozen in these silicone bags. I need to thaw it. And you guys, if you've never used these silicone bags,
they're amazing. They're so awesome. Probably my favorite product that Tupperware sells, no joke.
So you can take them, seal them up, give it a little vent, and I'm gonna go stick this right in the microwave. That is cooking. I'm going to cut up the rest of my stuff. Broccoli, so I'm just dicing these up into nice small pieces. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you guys, Sonic chopper. The Sonic chopper comes in different sizes. I usually just cut mine. I quarter an onion. Then, ready? Here's where the magic happens. Look it, it's totally done. It's the best. One of my favorite things about the Sonic system is that it comes in different sizes. So this is absolutely the big one, but it also comes in the tall, which is kind of the medium size, and it comes in the little guy. So depending upon what you're cooking, I can put an entire onion in this. I can chop up a bunch of tomatoes if I'm making salsa. I can mix different ingredients together in this and combine them all together at once. Or if I'm just doing a couple cloves of garlic, that little guy, it's perfect for that. We're supposed to be using a box of chicken flavored rice. So you can use a rice-a-roni or something like that. This just goes right on in there. Nice and easy. I like easy.
I don't know about you, but I think that you can never have too much garlic, but this calls for 2 cloves.
And then we need 3 cups of chicken broth. So let's use some thyme. I'm just pulling this right through, and it pulls all the thyme leaves right off.
On the end of the garlic press, there's a fancy schmancy herb stripper. So I'm using that to get fresh thyme. I also am putting in parsley and oregano at the same time. Now I'm gonna chop up some serrano chilies and then throw them into the Sonic chopper. I'm taking out the seeds because that's the spicy part.
And we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of cornstarch.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so my chicken is done. So I'm going to take it out of my silicone bag here. I'm just laying it right up on top of all of my other ingredients in the pressure cooker. And when we take the top of this, put it right on. Well, I just put that whole kit and caboodle into the microwave. So it's gonna cook in there for 25 minutes. And when it comes out, it's gonna be done. The chicken's gonna be all shredded and wonderful, and I'll let you see it, I promise. But while we wait, one of the things you might be wondering is, can I do this? Yeah, you can do this, I promise. You should try it. It's fun, and you get a lot of really awesome incentives. It's only 15 bucks to sign up. Or if you wanted all the stuff to come with it, you can get a kit too. So, have any questions? Come join my cabaret. I'd love to have you. Or maybe we just have a party. I can do it on Zoom. I'll cook for your friends. That's the beauty of the internet. Come on, let's have fun together. Okay, this just came out of the microwave. Let's check it out. Awesome, look at that. Ooh, it's all done and delicious. Now I gotta add a couple more ingredients. Let's do that. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. A jar of Alfredo. And 2 cups, give or take, because there's never really enough cheese, of sharp cheddar. Okay, should we try it? That's amazing. Thanks for joining me for this episode of The Cooking Cabaret. Did you see something you loved? You can easily find it at thecookingcabaret.com. I hope you join me for my next episode. We're gonna be doing steak with blue cheese and sauteed onions, and we're gonna do it in the micro grill. I'm gonna cook a steak in the microwave. Yeah, that's the thing with Tupperware. We'll see you next time.